maker. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Today I am making a half wig for my cousin who has alopecia just like me. This unit was fun to make, but it did take a long time because I did several processes to get the hair color and the hair texture to perfectly match her hair. If you would like to see the installation or her amazing makeover transformation, click the links in the description and it'll take you right there. I hope you have enjoyed watching how I made this beautiful unit for my cousin. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe and come back again. Take care and be safe out there.